I'm gonna show you how to add music in Bedrock. There's a reason why they didn't add it. The reason is, it takes a lot of unnecessary storage, so they make it optional. Even though the music disc is added a long time ago, a lot of players don't know why there's no music. That's why I'm here to show you guys how to add music in Bedrock. First, open Marketplace. Then press search at the upper right of your screen. Now search for music. Now download music by Minecraft. Then just press it and download. I already downloaded it, so there's no need to download it again. Now let's try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. To play music disc, you need a jukebox first. Here's one of my favorites. Now place the jukebox and play the disc. Here's some secrets. Some of you probably already know this. If you have a pet parrot nearby a playing jukebox, it dances.